Good morning, everyone. So right now I am trying to take out all of the dry leaves. At the same time I'm trying to get some leaves that I can propagate. So this one looks good. Oh, a lot of dry leaves here underneath. Look at this. So this could cause rotting. Trying to get all of the leaf propagation here. So see this. So this is gonna be ready for spring. So I'll start propagating for spring. Like this is good leaves to propagate. This one, even though these are damaged, looks like damage at the back, at but the base are still intact. Look. So make sure if you remove the leaves from the stem, make sure that the base is still intact. Like this one. So for this, this would be a perfect leaf propagation. So this one looks good, but I think I don't want to take out some of the leaves. It looks really beautiful. And so let's take a look at this. And see a lot of dry leaves. Oh wow, I think the other side is, I see a rotting leaf actually. This one, look. So I can't propagate this because the base is already damaged, unfortunately. So let's look for a good leaf to propagate. So make sure you don't break the base. This is perfect. So see, before it's starting to get rot, but it's still good. And let me check more. So this is a good time to start taking out some of the leaves that you can propagate for spring. Look at my aeoniums, pretty. Let me see if I can take out some of the leaves here to propagate the perfect candidate. Let's see. I have another one here. It's beautiful, right? See if I can propagate this one too. Take out some leaves underneath. These are my, what is moonstone? This is pink moonstone. And see if I can take out, yeah, looks like there are potential propagation here. Leaf propagation. Just repotted this one, so it's not like I won't be able to get a lot. This is dry. Looks like it's dry already, but I can take out some. The bottom, twist, and one looks like this is turning yellow. So yeah, see if I can save that one. The other one is here. Blossom, blossom, blossom. Okay. Hello there. This is pink moonstone. Right now it's just kind of green and hint of blush of pink, but during summertime the color, the vibrant color will show up. The shade of pink will be darker. So anyways, let's take some. Maybe I can just take out like one or two here, not a lot. Really don't. Looks perfect right now, so it's maybe I'll just wait. I can't take it. I can't afford to destroy the beauty. And my other moonstone, a lot of babies. This is looking good. This is Lola. I'll take some leaf propagation here too. So here are my leaf propagation. The tips are, the base are still intact. So